Extra who's it? Your boy back with another segment. You know, we're sailing on this ship, okay? So today I'll be showing you how to make a pizza, homemade pizza. Start by pouring flour in your warm water and yeast. Yes, yeah, yeast and warm water, and then you'll be mixing salt. It's just like one teaspoon of salt, and then you're gonna mix together until you're gonna knead the dough basically until it's soft, and when you poke it, it's gonna come back. So yeah, man. And then you're gonna add some olive oil, place it for like 45 minutes to rise, and then here I'm folding it, I'm kneading it. Yeah, right here I'll be making the fillings, the sauce, the tomato sauce for the base for the pizza, you feel me? Yeah, kimoki kichopile, green pepper, yellow pepper, onions. I'm adding salt, I'm adding my curry so that it could have a great taste, you know. I'm mixing and mixing and mixing. For me, 1 packet of tomato paste on low heat, so that aranya kore is I carry tomato paste in the mixture. So we're gonna add the whole of tomato paste. That's what I prefer, but then it has that zesty flavor, so you're gonna add a little bit of sugar so that it's cover sour and stuff like that. Now you're gonna combine everything, let it fry, combining everything. So yeah, man, it's just a simple step. You get me? Add your chicken stock or beef stock so that it be this color. I want it to be this color. So yeah, man, ibe watering. It's just 1 cup of beef stock. You feel me? I prefer to add beef stock because adding 1 teaspoon of sugar so that it will bolaya really like the sourness of the tomato paste. Because like, hey, yeah, I'll be frying my bacon bites. So you can add that on top of it on the pizza. So like, yeah, this is for someone who eats pork, basically, this pizza. So if you don't eat pork, sorry, not to offend anyone, but then there are many ways you can add your pineapples, your whatever, as long as you enjoy your pizza. Right here I'm done with the base for the pizza. I'm adding my peppers. You can chop it anyhow. This is how I chopped it. I julienne everything. I julienne the peppers. I sharply slice on my onions. I didn't have red onion, so I decided to add white onion. I'm sprinkling, like, make sure like it's everywhere. The bacon is everywhere. You feel me? And then yeah, man, everything will be combined, and then you're gonna put it in the oven after adding the cheese, any cheese, mozzarella, cheddar, gouda. Here I'm adding my cheddar cheese. Make sure if you're a cheese lover so that you can get the cheese pool. You feel me? Yeah, you can get the cheese pool. Kimoki cheddar cheese. I feel like a chili inch, but then okay. So yeah, man, I don't have that round pan for the pizza. This is what I'm using, like a 4-corner pan. I didn't grate my mozzarella cheese. I just like chopped it into squares. And yeah, I'm adding my basil leaves for the taste, for the herbiness. This is the final product before it can go oven for like 30 minutes. So it is scarce because like, hey, yo. Yeah, I'm done. I'll be adding my avocado. It's my choice, my preference. So I'll be adding my avocado, parmesan, your garlic, and then you're gonna feast, man. Look how big is it? This could last you for a week, I'm telling you. So thank you, everybody. Like enjoy. Like, you can see I'm enjoying my pizza. You can try this recipe out. Hit me up. Comment, share, like. Thank you for joining me. Peace. We out.